Hey quantifiers, buzzers, supporters, I'm Yadnashkul and today I'm going to talk about So guys, this is Puma suede, and before unboxing the box I want to talk about Jabong that they have not sended me the original Puma box. Okay, so that's what I feel bad about Jabong service, but shoes are original and fine. Anyways, let's take a look on shoes. So I hope you people like the shoes. So let's take a look on the highlights of the shoes. Let's go. So guys, box price of these shoes is basically 5499, but I got a discount at 3200 only. Okay, so before you're going to buy these shoes, make sure that you should check all the online websites, okay, so that you will get reasonable price for these shoes. So the first highlight of the shoes is the price, which is very reasonable, okay, and affordable. And after that, these shoes are very comfortable because these are having suede material, okay. And after that, inside, if you can see, the synthetic cushions are they have given, which are very comfortable, okay. And after that, the most thing which I love about these shoes is the branding. Branding is damn, okay. Over here you can see branding. After that, this slope and Puma suede gold branding, and at back side you can see that Puma 3D branding. So when you wear these shoes, actually this looks very attractive. So I felt that Puma suede classic runs through to the size and having different colors such as red, blue, yellow, black. So you can choose as per your choice. So there is a one bad thing in the shoes, that these shoes are very heavy, so that I'll suggest you to don't wear these shoes in rainy season, so that you'll feel more uncomfortable, okay. So we are not done over here, okay. We are also going to show you how these shoes actually look when you wear these shoes. So let's go. So guys, that's it for today.
We are also on Facebook, Instagram, so don't forget to follow us over there. If you love our video,
Then like our video.
if you like our video,
Then subscribe our channel.
if you subscribe the channel,
Then don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified every time. So
be kind.
never mind.